Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to download your images with openart. So, let us begin. To kick things off, open your web browser and type in openart.ai. If you are a newcomer to the platform, no worries at all. We've got you covered with a video link below that will walk you through the account setup with ease. And for those of you who are seasoned openart users, all it takes is a quick login to access your personalized dashboard. Now, let's assume you have already embarked on the creative journey and have some incredible images neatly stored in your album. But if you are new to the image creation process on this platform, we highly recommend checking out our video tutorials on crafting various types of visuals, be it architectural designs, stunning animal portraits, captivating logos, and so much more. Once you are ready to download your creations, just head on over to your dashboard. Within our dashboard, there's a conveniently labeled section on the left side of the screen. It's called My Albums. A click on this section reveals the treasure trove of images you have saved. If you have recently produced fresh images that haven't yet found their way into your album, don't fret. You can select them from the Create option. However, for today's illustration, I will be heading back to my albums because there's one specific image I'd like to download. Now, there are not one but three incredibly straightforward ways to download your pictures. The first method is truly simple. You don't even have to click on the image you wish to download. Just hover your mouse pointer over it and like magic, a download icon gracefully appears on the picture. A click on this icon and lo and behold, the image is downloaded to your device, whether it's your trusty computer, faithful desktop, or whichever device you are currently using. The second method is just as convenient. You can click on the download button here and it will present you with the option to choose the picture you want to download. Simply click on your desired image and then click the download button once more to initiate the download. It's a hassle-free way to save your artwork. But wait, there's another method that's just as easy. You can click directly on the photo you want to download. Upon clicking, you will notice the familiar download icon perched on the photo itself. A quick click on that icon, and just like that, the image is securely saved to your device. It's a breeze. Now, you have downloaded images at your disposal, ready to be used in any way you please. Downloading your images with openart is not only efficient but also highly versatile. Whether you are sharing your creations with friends and colleagues, incorporating them into your projects, or simply safeguarding them for future use, this platform provides you with the tools to effortlessly manage and share your work. So, go ahead and explore the world of image downloading with openart. It's not just a tool, it's an essential asset for creators like you. Enjoy your creative journey, and remember, we're here to assist you every step of the way. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into the exciting realm of digital artistry. I hope this video helped you out, and see you in the next video.